Modern manufacturing environments require real-time visibility and shop floor control. IMCO's CIMAG MES provides that visibility and control. IMCO's CIMAG MES is flexible enough to be implemented as a standalone shop floor control or integrated with any ERP system. IMCO CIMAG MES meets all functionalities required by ISA 8895 standards. State-of-the-art scheduling, real-time graphic capacity overview, JIT and ASAP logic is interchangeable at the click of a button. IMCO CIMAG MES provides real-time information to managers and supervisors at every level. IMCO CIMAG MES can satisfy the most demanding traceability requirements. IMCO CIMAG MES provides comprehensive backward traceability information such as materials and components that went into making the product, who participated in making the product, in which machine was the product made, and when was the product made. IMCO CIMAG MES is the most flexible manufacturing execution system available. To start the road to better customer service, more efficient operations, and higher profits, contact one of our representatives for a no-obligation demo.